Did you know? 1 in 2 people using Pay by Bank are unaware they are using open banking? Here's a startling fact. In countries where it's common, as many as 1 in 2 people using new online payment features are unaware they're even using it. So what exactly is this invisible force that's radically changing how you manage money? It's called open banking, and it's the future of your personal finance. Open banking is a revolutionary framework that gives you, the customer, control over your own financial data. It is the mandatory, secure sharing of your financial information with your explicit permission between your bank and approved third-party companies. This concept is already reshaping financial services globally, making everything faster, cheaper, and more personal. For decades, traditional banking operated in a silo. Your transaction history, your balance, and your financial life were locked away by your primary bank. This created 2 main problems for consumers: limited access and a lack of personalization. If you wanted a loan, you had to print off months of statements and fill out endless paperwork. Financial management was difficult because your data was scattered across multiple accounts. The banks held all the power, resulting in a system that was slow, inefficient, and often failed to offer you the best, most personalized products. Open banking changes all of this through a mechanism called APIs, Application Programming Interfaces. Think of an API as a highly secure, standardized digital bridge. 1. Customer consent. It all starts with you. You must grant specific, revocable consent for a regulated third-party provider, TPP, like a budgeting app or a FinTech lender, to access your data. 2. The API bridge. Once approved, the TPP uses the bank's API to access only the specific data you allowed, like your account balance or transaction history. It never sees your password. 3. Third-party innovation. The TPP then uses that real-time data to create a superior user experience, whether that's an app that manages all your accounts in one place or a lender who can assess your creditworthiness in seconds. It's secure, instant, and entirely controlled by your permissions. The most compelling benefit of open banking is how it promotes financial inclusion and fairness. Take the process of applying for a loan. In the past, a poor credit score could instantly exclude you, even if you're financially responsible now. With open banking, companies like FinTech lender use real-time transaction data, your actual bank statements, to assess your affordability. This allows them to see things like consistent rent payments or utility payments, which are usually ignored by outdated credit scores. The result? They can offer loans to customers who would have otherwise been excluded or forced to use predatory high-interest services. Open banking essentially allows good financial behavior to speak for itself, creating a faster, fairer, and more complete picture of your financial health. Open banking is simple. It's about giving you control of your data, using secure APIs to connect banks with innovative third parties, and ultimately fostering competition and fairness. It is transforming finance from a closed system run by a few into an open, customer-centric ecosystem. What is the most exciting app you've seen that uses open banking? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to know what tech is coming after open banking, click here to watch our video on the future of financial technology, open finance, and smart data.